Let me use the ending of What a Friend We Have in Jesus. So the only chord I want us to tackle here is E flat, A flat, A, and C. Okay, this one. And for the left, it's Do, which is FF. Okay, so for the right, E flat, A flat, A, and C. Okay. Okay, so everything to God in prayer. Okay, so people can go ahead and go like, okay, so this is the one that I want us to focus on today. Everything to God in prayer. Okay, so that's all I wanted to show you today. Thank you so much, and I hope you subscribe for more things like this. I'll see you in the next one.